Sana pala nakinig ako sa sinabi ng nanay ko noon.
Bakit? Ano ba sinabi ng nanay mo?
Hindi ko alam. Kaya nga sana nakinig ako eh.
Every time I see you in video call, you make me smile. How about you? When you see my pretty face.
Yeah, you make me smile too.
Wow, thank you. I make you smile and you make me smile. Everyone must be happy.
Everyone's happy.
Yeah. Very good relationship for you happy, I am happy, and everyone is happy.
Pangit daw ako sa TikTok. Hoy! Para sabihin ko sa inyo, ha? Pangit din ako sa personal. Aray!